Welcome to our Q1 2024 market update, where we'll give you a brief overview of the latest macro and market performance with an emphasis on smaller companies.
The global economy in Q1 2024 exhibited steady growth with persistent inflationary pressures, influenced significantly by a more than 25% rise in oil prices. Major economies like the UK and Germany experienced minor recessions, while Japan showed modest growth. Despite these challenges, overall global growth remained benign. Central banks largely maintained interest rates, with few exceptions, reflecting a cautious approach towards the prevailing inflation scenario. Equity markets saw robust performance, particularly in Japan and the US, driven by optimism around technology advancements and favorable central bank signals suggesting potential future rate cuts. In contrast to the broader market indices, equities of smaller companies demonstrated a more modest performance. The MSCI Small Cap Index recorded a return of 4.36% in the first quarter, underperforming against the MSCI World Index's 8.99% and the S&P 500's 10.55%. From a country perspective, we saw significant contributions from the smaller companies in the United States, mainly due to robust domestic growth and growing investor confidence in smaller companies. Japanese smaller companies were also major contributors, benefiting from domestic economic policies and regional stability. On the sectoral front, the performance was mixed. Industrials and consumer discretionary sectors led the gains, capitalizing on recovering global demand and consumer spending. Energy also showed strong performance, benefiting from the rising oil prices which bolstered energy stocks within the small caps. Conversely, communication services and real estate sectors underperformed, affected by the broader economic conditions and market volatility. The outlook for small-cap equities remains cautiously optimistic. With the global economy showing signs of sustained growth despite inflationary pressures, sectors aligned with consumer spending and technological innovations offer promising opportunities. This nuanced performance across various countries and sectors underscores the importance of a discerning investment approach in the smaller company space, particularly in a landscape marked by lingering economic uncertainties and policy adjustments.